Hi students, in this video we will solve this problem. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of a road which is 120 feet wide. Okay, so we have two poles of equal heights and they are standing on either side of the road. Suppose this is the road, this is one end of the road and this is the other end of the road. Okay, this is the width of the road. Alright, on either side of the road. The angles of elevation of top of a poles are 60 and 30 degrees respectively. Okay, 150 feet. Okay, this is 150 feet, 120 feet, sorry. From a point between them on the road. Okay, the angles of elevation of top of a poles are 60 and 30 degrees respectively. Okay, see, suppose somebody is standing here and the angle of elevation of top of one pole is 630 and the angle of elevation of top of another pole is 60 degrees. Okay, see, this person is not standing in the middle. 120 is there, he is not standing 60 feet or 60 feet from here or 60 feet from here. If you were standing and observing, the angles of elevations would be equal, but the angles of elevations are not equal, which means this person is standing closer to this building because the angle of elevation is more in this case. Here 60 degrees. Here the angle of elevation is lesser, 30 degrees. Okay, alright. Find the heights of the poles. Okay, let the heights of the pole be h. They are equal, so we are taking h. And the distance of the point from the poles. Okay, distance of this point. How far is this point from this pole and how far is this point from this pole? We need to find that. Let us name this diagram A, B, C, D and E. This A, B and ED are equal because these are the heights of the pole and the heights are equal given. Okay, alright. See, let us take this as x. If BC is x, what will be the value of CD? From here to here it is 120. So obviously this should be equal to 120 minus x. This total minus x will give us this. So this is 120 minus x. Okay. Alright, so we have two triangles now. Let us take the first triangle ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. Let this be H, this is X. And what is this angle? It is 60 degrees. Okay. Using this triangle, we will get a relationship between H and X. So 60 is here, so this one will be the opposite side and this one will be the adjacent side. Okay. Opposite and adjacent is in tan formula, right? See, sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot, old hero and his old acting. So tan is opposite by adjacent, opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, so we have tan 60 is equal to opposite is h divided by adjacent is x. So if you cross multiply, or let us substitute the value of tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to h by x. X goes on the other side, it will be root 3x is equal to h. So h is root 3x. Okay. Now let us take the other triangle. This one EDC, ED and C, and angle is 30 degrees. This is h we took and this is 120 minus x. Alright. Okay, now angle is here, so which means this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent is in tan, so let us use tan formula again. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite h divided by adjacent 120 minus x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, this is 1 by root 3. Alright. H divided by 120 minus x. If you cross multiply this will be 120 minus x is equal to h root 3. 120 minus x will go here, h root 3 will come here. Okay. Now what should we do? See, we should substitute the value of h is equal to root 3x in this equation. H is root 3x. So substitute h is equal to root 3x in this. So let us substitute 120 minus x is equal to h. H is root 3x multiplied by root 3 is given. Okay. So let me just rub this. So after this, 120 minus x is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3. We'll have 3x. So x goes this side, this x goes that side, on the other side becomes plus. So 120 is equal to 4x, right? So this 120 divided by 4 will be equal to x. This 4 will divide. Okay. So how much is this now? 4 1s are 4 3s are. So this is 30. Alright. So value of x is equal to how much? 30. So this is 30. Okay. This was x, right? Okay. And if this is 30, this will be equal to how much? 120 minus 30. 120 minus 30, it will be equal to 90. So this is 90 because total should be 120, right? Okay. What do we need to find? Find the heights of the poles. Okay, we need to find the heights of the poles and the distances of the points from the poles. So this point of observation is 30 feet from this pole and 90 feet away from this pole. Okay, that's what we got at 30 and 90. Okay, x value is 30. How should we find the height of the poles? Substitute this value of x is equal to 30 here. So what do we have? We'll have h is equal to root 3 multiplied by 30, or this will be 30 root 3. This is in feet. Okay. Alright. I hope you understood this. Height of the pole is 30 root 3. This is also 30 root 3. Okay. See you in the next video.